back again to another video. It's your girl Damilima, and I'm here again with another banging video. So today, guys, I'll be doing my vision board. I know a lot of people have already put up the videos of their vision board, but I was just taking my time. I really wanted to know the things I want to accomplish for this year, my purpose for this year, the things I really want to see myself get to do this year and accomplish by the grace of God this year. So yeah, it's about 15 or 16 days into the year already, and yeah, I know a lot of people already put up their vision board for since the 31st day of December last year, but I didn't want to rush at all because last year I went for a vision board party. I actually went for a proper vision board party last year, and that other events, they provided everything we need to make our vision board, like magazines and all those stuff. It was like something I paid for. But I just realized that into the year 2019, I dumped the vision board after the event. The mistake I made was that I didn't hang my vision board. I just wrapped it after the event and brought it back home. So it was very difficult for me to reach to the vision board to see what I have inside. So I've decided that this year is not going to be like that. By the grace of God, I'm going to be doing my vision board, and I pray I accomplish everything I have on this vision board. Okay, in this video I'll be giving you guys a quick tip on how to make your vision board, like what I did to make my vision board, though we are going to be making it together, but I'll just tell you guys what the things I did to get this vision board in place. But before we get into this video, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my video every single time I post a video. Also, don't forget to like and comment if you love this video. So let's get into this video. The first thing I did was to pen down the things I want to achieve for this year. I took my jotter and a pen, started writing. I've been writing things down since about, I think, on the first or on the second day. I've been writing things as they come to my head. I just write, okay, this thing I want to accomplish it this 2020. By God's grace, I must accomplish this thing in this year 2020. So I just start writing them down. I write them down. There are some that I already know I must accomplish this year, and there are some that I just think of, what do I really want this thing? Do I think I really want to do this thing this year? And the first tip to doing your vision board is to write down your goals for the year. And the second thing, after I wrote down the things I want to accomplish for this year, was to go to Google. I know last year at the vision board party we used magazines. They provided magazines for us, but this year I really don't want magazines. I really don't want to use magazines because magazines are quite old. Before you even reach to get the perfect picture you need, it takes a lot of time. So I went to Google this time around, and I just type the thing I want to let's say, for instance, I want to get my camera this year. I go to Google and type the name of the camera I want to get, and a picture comes out. So I just copy that picture and paste it on my phone. I copy it on my phone, and the next thing I did after getting all the pictures I needed was to go to Canva and put all those pictures up in Canva. So after putting all the pictures up in Canva, I went to I printed out those pictures in colored. Of course, you don't want a dull picture, only if that is your vibe, that is what you want. I didn't print out mine in black and white. I printed it out in color, so everything comes out in color, and it also gives your vision board a kind of very pretty look, so it doesn't just look boring. So after I printed out everything I needed, I got my scissors, I got my cardboard paper, and I also got a glue. Let me know in the comment section if you think making vision board is really not necessary. Also, let me know if you're going to be making your vision board. Also, let me know if you achieved everything you wrote on your vision board for 2019, and also let me know if you've made your vision board for this year. So don't forget to drop those comments. Okay, enough of me rambling. Let's get into making this vision board. center of the vision board. Can you see that? Then there's this picture I really like. It's a man and a woman holding hands, and they're obviously on vacation, so I want to go on vacation this year. Then this is my verse of the year. This is the verse I really love for this year. This is like my personal verse for this year, and I have double of it in my vision board. Then I have this thing that says skills, because I'm going to be learning a skill or two this year. Yes, that's just about it. That's just about it. I just finished doing my vision board, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to sleep right now. I denied myself of sleep just to do this vision board, and I'm just about to sleep. It's already really dark. I don't know if you can see through the window. It's really dark. It's about 10 p.m. right now, and I still have work tomorrow morning, so I'll just be sleeping right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get to do your vision board, and if you do, you can just tag me on Instagram. I'll be leaving my Instagram handle in the description box. You can just tag me on Instagram and let me know that you did your vision board also. And yeah, you can also leave a comment in the comment section to let me know if you're going to be doing your vision board or if you're not going to be doing your vision board.
I used this can you guys see it? I used this cardboard paper. It's just a cardboard paper, and I used this glue. I also used a scissors. These are the things you need to do your vision board: a scissors, a glue, and a cardboard paper. It's just a plain white cardboard paper that I used. So
people use proper boards for their vision board. Someone like Emetetim, she was one of the people that inspired this video. She used a proper board. She went to the carpenter to make a proper board for a vision board, but I couldn't do all those stuff. I just settled for a cardboard paper. Cardboard paper is really cheap if you don't want to spend too much money, but it's advisable to spend money on your vision board, because when you know that you spend money on this thing, you look at it every now and then to just get things done. But I promise this year, by God's grace, that I'm going to be doing everything. I'm going to be taking everything on this vision board. I was going to put something on the vision. I was going to put something on this board to show that my aim is to get up to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube before the end of 2020, and I really pray that I reach that goal and even exceed it by God's grace, because that is one of my goals, to get up to 10,000 subscribers. It's not too much. There are people that get thousands of subscribers in days, so it's not too much. It is something that is achievable, so by God's grace I get that on YouTube. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. And if you watched up until now and you're still not subscribed, I'm judging you in one part of my art right now. I'm really judging you. So subscribe, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, and also don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.